So in this session, we will try to understand about reduction formula. As you know that you guys are familiar with the topic that you have dealt in indefinite integration at the end, you have handled a reduction formula where you like we will be giving you question in form of some n, and then you will apply some logic, and then you will like derive the general formula to those kind of questions. Okay, that how we should respond. Okay, and based on those logic you can handle accordingly. So we will understand again, we will create we will be giving you some questions and we will try to handle those situation, and we will try to find out its reduction formula. Okay, so suppose that we got one question where we have in equals integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx. Now so here you will be like, you know that you got this question. Now what you have to do, you have to find out its general formula. Now after that, we can give you any question, means based on n I can write 19, 13, 14, 15, 16, anything I'll be writing, and then based on that you can judge those options where which one is correct and which one is wrong accordingly. Okay, I hope you understood the concept, and let's see we can apply the logic over here or not. Now you know that you have solved this question in indefinite integration also, where with sine and cos what you did, you have taken one thing outside, and on remaining thing you have taken two things outside, correct? So here also we are handling sine, so I will be taking one thing outside. So can I write sine power n minus 1x and then sine x dx? Now we will be selecting one function as first function, other function as second functions. Okay, we used to consider first function as that function whose differentiation is easy, not integration. We will consider that function as second function whose integration is easy, not differentiation. So if you'll observe this function, so suppose that if its integration is easy, then so directly we can calculate this formula, no? So we feel that its this integration is tough, so hopefully its differentiation would be easy. So we will consider this as the first function and this as the second function. Now let's apply the formula. So it is first function sine n minus 1x sine first function integration of second function, okay, minus whole integration differentiation of first function, okay, and then integration of second function dx. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at here. So what will happen, just observe. So we have sine power n minus 1x, and then integration of sine is cos x. So we did the integration of first part. Now we can apply the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now you know that the differentiation of like sine power n minus 1 will be what, n minus 1, then sine power n minus 2x, and then differentiation of sine becomes cos x, and integration of sine is also cos x. So cos x and cos x, wait, I'll write cos x and then dx. Okay, so if you'll observe, now look at this. If you will observe this question, if you'll put upper limit 90, so if you'll put upper limit, this person will become 0. Cos 90 will become 0 and it will make everything else 0. Now, minus lower limit. So if you'll substitute 0, this sine 0 will become 0 and it will make everything else 0. So I feel that this whole thing will become 0. So the all responsibility is on the next part. Acha, wait a moment. Like integration of sine is what? Minus of cos x. So this minus will become plus, and here we will have extra minus. So here we will have the same result. Okay. Now, so let's look at here. Now, can I write down that this cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sine square x? Huh? Can we do that? So we will convert everything into sine. So n minus 1 is a constant, so we will take that thing outside. Sine n minus 2 x, and then 1 minus sine square x. Okay, dx. Till this part you guys are okay? है ना? Now look at here. So can I multiply, and then we will create two questions where we will be writing n minus 1 integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine power n minus 2x dx minus n minus 1 integration from sine this, and this will become 2, sorry, nx dx. Okay, so till this part you guys are okay now. Now look at this. This was what? In. If you'll observe, this is also in. So can I take in common? So this thing will go that side, it will become, whole thing will become plus. So you will be having in common. So in common, and then you will be having 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1. Who is this? If the question was in, if the power of sine was n. Here the power of sine is n minus 2. So this question will become what? I of n minus 2. This thing gone. So can I write in is equal to n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. So we got our result as this thing. Okay. I hope you are comfortable with this reduction formula. Okay. Now with change in n, you can find out the direct result from here. Okay. Now look at this. Suppose we have this question. So you know that for this question again you have to take one thing outside, but be little slow. Suppose that for this question we need to apply Papa property, means like King's rule. So it says you have to add lower limit and upper limit and then subtract it with x. So it is cos power n 90 minus x. So don't you think that this thing will become what? 0 to pi by 2 cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, sine nx dx. So it is same, no? So here also the answer will be what? N minus 1 by n, and then I of n minus 2. So here also we will have the same result. Okay. I hope the idea is clear, and with these two examples you guys created little bit of conceptual understanding about the current topic. Let's handle another questions so that we can upgrade our preparation level. Okay. So let's connect on next question.